All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with Topps Chrome Sonic. Let's go. Here's your teams via the randomization. I'll call them out as they come if you don't see them right here on the pass-through. Find 4 exclusive black and white Ray Wave parallels per box. No guaranteed auto here, but you can get them. And when you do, they're usually pretty hot. Wow, what a freaking box. Sorry if I, what's up, Jerry? Yeah, I'm doing great, man. Sorry if I got a little crazy there, but we've needed that, guys. We've been breaking through so much product. And, I mean, we've been getting some good stuff, but we needed that right there. Big time. Big time. We needed one of those ones where everyone's just, like, completely taken care of on a break. And that was it right there. All right, guys. Good luck to you. Topps Chrome Sonic. I'll call them out as they come. We got Tyler Stevenson. Rhys Hoskins. I don't think that whole thing's going on anymore. Let's see here. Right from the back. Manny Machado. And that's a black and white Ray Wave right there. San Diego and the Padres. Santiago. Justin Robinson. There you go, buddy. On the board right away. Edward Cabrera rookie. And the X-Fractor. Isaiah Kiner-Falefa for Tejas and the Rangers, Mark Klein. There you go, Mark, on the board. It's going to take a lot out of these breaks to knock one of those things off the mountain over there, but we're trying for it. We're going for it. Another 1-1 tonight would be nice. I wouldn't complain in the least bit. Doing good, guys. Hey, there's a Topps mixer up on the website right now. Pick your team. There's only a couple teams gone, so you can basically get your team still if you haven't yet. Contreras. But check out boomfactorylive.com. Teams are like as low as $10. They're not too bad in this one. It's Bowman Sterling. There's a historic autograph baseball in it. And a box of this. Chrome Sonic. Luis Gil. Jarren Duran. Miguel Cabrera. And Alek Manoah for Toronto. And the Blue Jays. Jeff Olivas. Jeff Olivas with the first pick in Leaf Metal Draft. I wonder what he's going for. Maybe that Anthony Volpe back there? That 101 Anthony Volpe we pulled? Come on! What a crazy box of Leaf Metal, you guys. Crazy box. Definitely going to be trying to get more of that stuff. Francisco Lindor. Off the back, we got Sammy Long. Josh Lowe, rookie Youthquake. I love it for the Rays. And Cal Raleigh, come on, rookie refractor. Seattle and the Mariners. That one's going to be going to Max Anderson. Nice, Cal. Who's got the Rays? Who's got Tampa? Tampa Bay, Mark Klein. On the Josh Lowe. Yeah, very crazy box of Leaf Metal. But we'll take it. What's up, Jim Grelk? Thanks for tuning in, buddy. All right, we got Yachty. Clayton Kershaw. Emmanuel Clase. Clase. Kyle Tucker refractor. All right. Zach Wheeler. Luis Garcia, little Paul Goldschmidt. Lance Lynn. All right, we got Shane Big Daddy Bieber, Brian Hayes, Fernando Tatis Jr., and Bobby Witt Jr., Youthquake. Boom, that thing's perfectly centered. Loving this. Kansas City, Mark Klein. Beautiful card right here, brother. Have to really check it out, but centering-wise, this thing's a 10. Boom. Nice Bobby Witt Jr. Kid's got talent. Love it. Falefa, Jake Burger, Kevin Gausman, and Raimel Tapia for Colorado and the Rockies. And there's your Sonic Purple. It's going to be the $2.99 for the Colorado Rockies. That one's going to Jeff Olivas. Jeff's kind of on fire tonight. Where are these ones at right here? This one's a little thicker. All right. Hey, there's another Tapia. Chris Bryant. Chas McCormick. Jackson Reitz, rookie at the back. Milwaukee. And the Brewers. And the Brew Crew. Strasburg. Bogarts. McGill and George Springer. All right, we got Nico Horner, Starling Marte, Max Fried, and boom, Udar for San Diego and the Padres, Justin Robinson with the Udar refractor. No backyards breaks relation, but that was an insane box. Nothing numbered over 3. Come on. I guarantee you there's boxes where there's stuff numbered over 3. We got a really good one there. A really good one. Jose Altuve, Kyle Lewis, Bryce Harper off the back, and boom, Vidal Brujan. Rookie refractor for Tampa Bay and the Rays, Mark Klein. Boom. 3 packs left here in Topps Chrome. Sonic. Woo! We got a good one. Tristan McKenzie. Manny Machado. Ernie Clements. We got a good one, guys. Boom. Jake Burger. Rookie X-Fractor for Chicago and the White Sox. I didn't even see this one. Steve Martinez, but look at this. Mike Trout. Black and white Ray Wave refractor. Boom! For Los Angeles and the Angels of Anaheim. Mitch B and the boys. Beautiful card right here. More than pay for your spot. More than on this Mike Trout Ray Wave. Boom! Very nice. So is the Jake Burger. Rookie X-Fractor. You cannot beat that out of Topps Chrome, guys. 3 packs left. Okay, I thought there was 3, but one was hiding. One was hiding. It's kind of a tough act to follow. Baby Jeter. I love it. Cedric Mullins. Off the back, Bregman, Kirilloff, and Edward Cabrera X-Fractor for Moons Over Miami and the Marlins. Boom. Preston P getting on the board with a little Cabrera X-Fractor. 2 packs. 2 packs left in Chrome Sonic. Let's go. Pavin Smith, Trevor Rogers, Lourdes Gurriel, and Mitch Haniger. And last pack mojo, let's go. Looking for it here. Jared Walsh, Mookie Betts, Matt Manning. Boom! Albert Pujols refractor. Little divot right there on the right side. I don't know if you can see it like right here. There's a little divot out of the pack. For the Dodgers, Steve Martinez and Shane Big Daddy Bieber. Cleveland and the Guardians for the last card and the last Ray Wave. Going to Justin Robinson. Do a quick recap after I sleeve up these two. Yeah, tough act to follow, that Leaf Metal. I almost wanted to do that last, but I didn't want people to be waiting. I wanted to do them in the order that they were filled today. Thanks, guys, for filling a few. I'll be back with more on Saturday. Tomorrow I'm taking the son fishing. All right, Albert Pujols, the Bieber. Cabrera X-Fractor, Burger X-Fractor, the Trout Ray Wave, beautiful card, Brujan. Darvish, Tapia, Sonic Purple, Bobby Witt Jr., Youthquake. Some hot stuff tonight, guys. That Josh Lowe, the Rally, come on. Manoah, Machado. Look at all the X-Fractors out of that box. Love it. Absolutely.